How's it going, YouTube? Austin back with Killshaw's Geek Garage, and today we're going to be doing a headlight restoration on my 2014 Focus ST. We're going to be using kind of an entry-level headlight restoration kit by Turtle Wax. Probably cost about $12 at the store. I'm going to be replacing these headlights in the future just because they're starting to get spider cracking and everything like that, but since they're faded, I wanted to give this a shot with a cheap headlight restoration kit and see what it does for it. So let's go on ahead and take a look at the headlights and see the before and after. So to kind of give you an idea of what I'm looking at, if you can see here, it might be hard to tell with the video quality, but some of the clear coat starting to come off in these areas. You got cracking and scratches all throughout, like little spider cracks right there. Let's take a look at the other one. Yeah, same with it. You can see all the coating starting to come off up in this area, little cracks here and there. So we're gonna try to clean these up and see how they come out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the headlights. Some people actually do it while it's on the car, but since these headlights are super simple to take out, you got one bolt right there and another bolt right there, and then the headlight just comes out. You also got to make sure you unplug the headlight connector that's down in there as well, but you can do that while the headlight's loose. And obviously you can tell same, one, and then a headlight connector right there. So to do this, what we're going to be using is a 1/4-inch ratchet with a T30 bit on it. We're going to be using some soapy water with just a little spray bottle to clean the headlights initially before we start putting on the headlight restoration kit. And then we're going to use this. This is the Turtle Wax headlight lens restoration kit. So like I said, it was about 12 bucks, and we're going to see how it comes out. Hopefully good, but like I said, we're going to be replacing these headlights in the future, so let's go on ahead and give it a shot and get these headlights on out. So to give you an idea of what all is included in the kit, you have these double-sided sand pads, you have a base coat wipe, lens sealing wipe, your lens clarifying compound, your spray lubricant for whenever you're using the sanding pads, and then also for whenever you're using the lens clarifying compound, this little glove so that you don't get it on your hands. Alright, so first step, they're wanting to see if you can just use the lens clarifying compound so that you can just clear up the lens without having to sand it. So we're going to go ahead and give that a shot, and hopefully that clears it up. If not, then we go to the sanding portion of it. So let's go ahead and get to it. So if you can see it, I mean, it kind of did clear up the headlights a good little bit, but you can still see the fading, these little just scratches all over the headlight. Same with this side, it kind of cleared it up, but you still got your little fading portion where the coating on it's gone bad, cracks and all this stuff. So we're going to go on ahead and do the sanding portion and go from there, and then from there we'll put on the sealers. Alright, so they definitely did come out really nice. I mean, obviously you can still see cracks and some scratches on it, but to clear up that clear coat, make it actually shine again, is awesome. So for a $12 kit, not too bad. So let's go on ahead and install them back in there and take a look at the after. So you can definitely tell the difference between before and after. I mean, a lot clearer. Like I said, you can obviously still see the cracks. These things have 85,000 miles on them, so you know, not bad looking. So there you have it. That's going to be it for restoring the headlights on my 2014 Focus ST. So not too difficult, you know, of course takes a little bit of time, but they look a lot better now, and it'll do until we get the new headlights. We're also going to be doing new tail lights on this one because they are starting to get stress cracks as well. So until next time, please like and subscribe to the video. If you have any topics that you would like to see done or, you know, practice on one of my vehicles, definitely would be happy to abide to that. So till next time, be safe.